Hello guys, welcome back to LANAP. For today's video, we're going to show you how to create sticky scroll effect in WIX Studio. So if you're interested, let's get started. So there's a bunch of things you need to do here to get this specific effect. So let's go to our site design or the editor for our website, and in here I have this website here. So currently with my website I have a bunch of sections here, a header and a footer. So let's go and add a section here just to give you some idea. So first thing you want to do is you want to set things up. So since we want to add like a bunch of cells here that has that sticky effect, what you need to do here is we first need to go to the size at the top right here in your in this case your designer or your properties for your element here. So I have our section. So currently we want to go ahead and click on the three dot option next to size, and you want to choose the advanced settings. Now in here you want to go to height. You want to change this to viewport height here. You want to change this to 300. Now each section is going to be 100 viewport height. So since we want to add like three in this case sections that we want to show here that is sticky, so we are going to add a 300 height here. Now what we need to do next is we now need to add our rows. So you want to go ahead and just click on your section, click on blank here, and choose rows. Now once you've chosen row here, you want to go ahead and go to your right or your properties here. You want to go to rows here, and let's go ahead and expand this one and add another row. Now you want to change this one, so you want to choose a fraction. So change the size here for fraction. So go ahead and do that for everything. Let's go ahead and go to our layers here and just make sure that everything is correct. As you can see right now, this is the height for this one, and for this one, and for this one. So we have those height, so we are good. Now what we need to do next here is we need to start adding our actual container that will contain every detail that you want to include to your web page. So let's go ahead and right click on this one, go to our quick add section, and just add a this case container. So again, the container will contain all the elements that you want to basically use for your website or that specific section, or everything that you want to show basically. So let's go ahead and expand this one or stretch this. And from here, you want to go ahead and make sure you selected. You haven't selected anything here, but just make sure you selected your actual container. And you want to go ahead and go to your position, and you want to change your margin here to percentage. Just maybe add like a certain margin for it, like for example 5%. And you want to do this for every this case section or cell they have here. So let's just paste this one. Make sure that we stretch this first and change our the margin to percentage. And again, you want to go ahead and add whatever margin you've set up before. And let's go ahead and just add the final one here. Stretch this. Again, change the margin to percentage. And let's change this to 5%. Now, once you've done that, that should actually change a few things here. So let's go ahead and select this, reselect this. So there might be some delays. But yeah, so in this case, once you've added your sections here, what we need to do is we just need to start adding our content. But since I don't have that amount of time here to fully customize our container here, what I'll be showing you is to basically changing the colors of the container just to show you the animation itself. So maybe we want to go ahead and select our second container here, change the background for it, and from here let's go and choose blue. Now let's go to our file container and maybe select a different color here. Let's go maybe choose this color here, click on apply, or sorry, that's the background. Let's go and go back here. So maybe select the container first, choose the color itself. Now once you've done that and added all your content, let's go ahead and select the actual cell itself. You want to go ahead and go to your properties again. You want to go ahead and go to position and maybe change this to sticky. Now same thing, go and select your second cell here. Position is going to be sticky, and go to your final one, which in this case again you want to select sticky. Now it's really important that you have this in one section and divide this to different cells in your web page. But once you've done that, let's go ahead and view, or basically view the actual site here. And so scroll down over here. So we have our first cell, second cell, and then third cell, which in this case now going to be the effect that we want to basically show here. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to learn up. Thank you for watching.